Hello, good morning to one and all. Now I just explain to how to setting the editor window in Visual Studio is IDE. Moreover, you have a better knowledge about that what is meant by IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which support for editing the programming code with the help of editor. And the code could be compiled using compiler and supporting some packages for running that code. So very first we have to check how to configure our IDE editor. So for that we go for tools and go with the options. This is the environment setup. We have to find out. See, there is a lots of options are there. Environment options, project and solutions, source control and text editor and debugging and some of that. So our ultimate aim how to configure the text editor. So we go for text editor and expand the this is the text editor option. Under this it will cover general file extension and list of language specific configuration for the text editor, and we have simply put that all configuration into here. For all languages we have to configure the whole source things. Now I just configure for the C sharp. In right panel there is statement completion, there is auto list of numbers and hide advanced numbers. So these are the settings under our C sharp edit page. Okay. um, Here there are lots of settings are there. All of you there are aware about that. See, this is the settings in wardrobe and lineup. I can enable these two settings and simply put OK. What it will be the output means I have to go for the new project. So file, project new. So in that there's a visual C sharp and I'll go for a console application. Simply first project one. Okay. So IDE preparing solution for the newly created project. It will making the setting up of some namespaces and creating on object. Okay, here this is the editor window for our C sharp application. We came to know about program.cs, which insists it is a C sharp file, and these are all the namespaces which is supplied by our IDE with the help of a .NET framework. And this is our editor window. We have to make that sense. We have to set that line numbers. So What is the purpose of line numbers means either we are using a long list of source file, we could identify the particular line, or simply we are using go to that particular line, we need the line numbers. And on more settings, I have set wardrobe. See, either if you want, what is the purpose of this is my first program string. So you have to extend that line until the screen. See, this is that the thing word dropped. It will fold it to the extension to the next line. This is called word drop. So what is the purpose of word drop means it will enhancing the readability of our source code. So once again I can repeat how to set means kindly remember the go with the tools and the last one in tools menu, that is the options. Simply click with options and there are lots of settings are there. In that options in the left side pane you can go with text editor, expand that. There are lots of, it will contain support for all languages and uh, very basic languages which is supported under that IDE and .NET framework. So we can configure the in C# in gentle. It will show that. So there are lots of the same thing. For scroll bars, tabs, we can set that tab size also. We are simply putting tab size means how much characters after that for setting tab and advanced. Okay, we will see that in detail in our next videos. Thank you.